USA has attacked Iran at 3 sites. Couple of questions come to mind. इसमें कई सवालात हमारे लिए आते हैं कि इसके बाद USA का क्या रद्द-ए-अमल है? उससे ज़्यादा ईरान का क्या रद्द-ए-अमल है? What is the reaction of Iran and what is the reaction of USA? And another question, what is the next step as far as China and Russia are concerned? And how does it affect the region? Is this World War III or not? So cutting through the hype, we will answer these questions. हम इन सवालात का जवाब देंगे कि ये है कि नहीं, और अगर आपको हमारा चैनल पसंद आता है तो सब्सक्राइब करें, और अगर बहुत पसंद आता है शेयर करें। पहली बात ये है, अमेरिका अटैक नाउ। Why? America attacked now because Israel is running out of the 20,000 shipment of interceptors of ballistic missiles and other missiles. Currently, they're going down. Secondly, the monthly cost to Israel is $12 billion. So, if the enrichment sites are gone, Israel's muscle has been established over the region. Now it's time to look for a ceasefire. So, these two attacks gave the off-ramp to Netanyahu that the nuclear enrichment sites have been destroyed. Now, which one did they attack? The main ones are the facility at Fordo. Fordo में जो उनकी large enrichment plant है, और दूसरा है नटान्स। इजराइल ने पहले इन पर अटैक किया था, कोई खास नहीं हुई। अब जॉर्ज बुश की तरह ट्रंप ने भी कह दिया मिशन अकम्प्लिश्ड, कि हमने तबाह कर दिए हैं। मगर लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट दिस लिटिल बिट मोर। इफ दीज वर डिस्ट्रॉयड, कोई ताबकारी में एस्केप नहीं हुई, तो इसका ये मतलब है ये कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। दूसरा, ये ईरानियंस कहते हैं कि हमने सब कुछ निकाल के ले गए हैं, यहाँ है ही नहीं कुछ। तो समवेयर इन बिटवीन इज द ट्रूथ। डैमेज भी हुआ है, कुछ और भी हुआ है। मगर ये जो चीज है, अगर है ताबकारी या नहीं है, वो फिर सुराग लगा लेंगे और जहाँ लेके गए हैं वहां भी वो हमला करेंगे। इस वक्त अमेरिका एंड इजराइल वांट अ सीज़फायर। Americans and Israelis need a ceasefire to reduce the cost, declare victory and go home. अब प्रॉब्लम उसमें ये है कि अगर वो देते हैं ईरानियंस इनको विक्ट्री। दूसरी चीज ये है कि अब चीन और रूस ने देख लिया कि अमेरिका गया है फंस, और अगर ईरानियंस विल टेक द पेन ऑफ यूएस बॉम्बिंग, अमेरिकन को यहाँ फंसा लो। रूस को यह फायदा है कि यहाँ अपने बिगड़े बच्चे इजराइल को सपोर्ट करते हुए। रशियन एडवांटेज इज that with the Americans tied down with Israel, the first priority will go to Israel, or Ukraine will get nothing. So they will have an easy picking. The second thing is, how does it benefit continued war to China? China engages USA here, so its ability to go and inflict any substantial resistance to the Chinese attack on Taiwan. How does it benefit us? Because we are next. If Americans are engaged here and they stay engaged, their ability to put pressure on Pakistan will be zero. So it's in the interest of all the major powers, including Pakistan, that this war keeps going, unless and until we miscalculate. इसमें region का क्या effect है? Region में regional effect basically कोई और मुल्क इसमें आएगा लड़ाई के लिए? नहीं. No country will pitch in over here and engage Israeli and American. The only two countries who have a capacity to do that, Turkey and Pakistan, will not. Pakistan is waiting for the J-35 and the HQ-19s. Till they arrive, Pakistan is not going to move. Turkey is sitting in between, not a NATO ally. I don't think they will. Baki Ragaji Arab, I think that is so. Whether the Arabs intervene is a self-answering question. The answer is no. Will Turkey and Pakistan come? No. It's neither national interest of Turkey or Pakistan to intervene this time. So there is no intervention from any other country. Will the militias who support Iran intervene? Yes. They will probably coordinate with Iran to step up attacks on the American bases. उसके अलावा क्या regional effect है? Iran will try and close the Hormuz. Now, closing the Gulf of Hormuz does not affect oil supply to Israel or to America, but it affects everybody else. So every country in the world who's affected, not attacking Israel, not attacking Iran, not attacking at all Iran, they are affected by it. So the whole world, including the Chinese, the Russians, everybody does not want the Gulf of Hormuz to close. And if they try to do that, quite possible. The Chinese, Saudis, Arabs, Pakistan, they all collaborate to open it up again. That will put Iran at odds with the rest of the world, and I don't think it's a smart move on their part to close the Gulf of Hormuz. Typically, ये World War III है, सारे लगे हुए हैं. World War III, World War III. Okay, what is World War III? America has entered the war, Israel has entered the war, Iran is fighting them back. Is this World War III? No, this is a regional fight, maybe a bilateral fight between Israel and Iran. How does it become World War III? If Russia or China directly intervene with their forces and confront Americans head on, and that escalates it to a fight all over the world. Neither the Chinese are going to do that. The Russians are very busy with Ukraine. So the chances of World War III is zero. I know some people will not agree, they will get annoyed. No, it is. But actually, there's nothing else here. So this will continue. Basically, China and Russia will support with materials and supplies and weapons Iran. And if Iran is willing to continue the fight, then they will get support from these countries. And if you're Pakistan, most likely do double game and help out Iranians out, but probably not because it's very well monitored by the Americans. So mostly their help will come from Russia and over Central Asian states and from China. Now the choice is up to Iran. Iran के पास दो choices हैं. एक ये है कि वो अलामती अटैक कर दे अमेरिका पे बेसिस पे और उसके बाद फिर कहेंगे चलो जी पीस टेबल पे आ जाओ. मगर इसमें तो गारंटी नहीं है कि इजराइल अमेरिका फिर अटैक नहीं करेंगे. और उसमें एक गारंटी है कि अगली दफा कि मामला अटका नेगोशिएशन में इन्होंने फिर आगे बमबारी कर देनी है. So at this stage, Iran to accept a ceasefire, probably they will not. So what will they do? They will attack American bases and how effectively they do that, कितना असर होगा उसमें वो डिपेंड करता है कि कितना इनके पास असला रह गया. And that remains to be seen. Now we'll see what the Iranian reaction is. Further predict. Thank you.
आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर बहुत पसंद आई तो शेयर करें. थैंक यू.